Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Devkan Kala. I work at UPS Dehradun as Assistant Professor in the area of marketing. In the previous session, we have understood the meaning of marketing, and this session we will discuss the evolution of marketing. Marketing is not an overnight phenomenon. Several researchers, academicians, practitioners and scholars have contributed significantly to give shape to the modern approach of marketing. Now, just look at the various stages of the development of management thoughts. Now I explain them one by one. The first stage is self-sufficient stage. During agrarian economy or agriculture-based economy, people were largely self-sufficient. Family was considered as self-sufficient units. Family grew their own foods, produced their own clothes, built their own houses, and so on. Since there was no exchange in this phase, there is a complete absence of marketing in this stage of development of marketing thoughts. The second stage is exchange concept. Gradually, people noticed two things. First, emergence of new needs, and second, availability of adequate surplus. For example, there was two families. Family 1 decided to produce rice and family 2 decided to produce wheat. The production was 100 kg, and after making calculation about the consumption, they noticed the availability of 20 kg as surplus. These families then decided to exchange the surplus quantities with one another. This exchange helped them to get new variety of the product and proper management of surplus. This exchange is popularly known as barter system of trade. In this stage, we can easily identify the existence of marketing. The concept of exchange is the essence of marketing. The next stage is production concept. In the 19th century, society witnessed a shift in the economy. This is commonly known as Industrial Revolution. It means the growth of manufacturing units in the society, and that is considered as secondary sector of economy. Large manufacturing units started producing product for people. This concept believes that consumer favor those products which are highly affordable and widely available, and therefore marketers concentrated their efforts on ensuring higher efficiency through mass production, economies of scale, and wide distribution of product. Next concept is product concept. Let's take an example. There are two firms, both produce similar product, charge same price for the product, and same amount of effort is required to purchase the product. Then which product will you buy? Definitely the product with the higher quality. Therefore, the product concept believes that consumer will favor those products which are of good quality, high in terms of performance, and offer innovative features. In this stage, with the growing level of competition, marketers have started emphasizing on product quality and features. Next stage is selling concept. Selling was the major means of increasing sales and profit. Organizations believed that most important marketing activities were person selling, advertising, and distribution. This concept holds that consumer, at given a chance, will not ordinarily buy the organizational product. And therefore, organization must use aggressive selling and promotion technique to make customer convinced to buy the product. The aim of this concept is to sell what company makes rather than make what market needs. Next important concept is the marketing concept. Gradually, marketers realized that efficient production, extensive promotion, and hard selling did not guarantee the customer would buy the product. Marketers found that determining what customer wanted was a must before producing a product, rather than producing a product first and then figuring it out how to sell it. In this phase, marketers have emphasized on four important pillars. These are target market, customer needs, integrate marketing, and last, customer satisfaction. The first is target market. All are not interested in buying organization product. Then who are the customer who will buy organization product? That is target market. Second, what are the need, tastes and preferences of target market? Next, integrate marketing. All the functional departments should be combined in a sensible and consistent manner to deliver a right product to target customers. And the fourth, the most important, customer satisfaction. Organization must pay more attention to the customer satisfaction in order to survive, grow and ensure profitability. The next concept is relationship marketing. It refers to the long-term and mutually beneficial arrangement wherein buyer and seller focus on value enhancement through creation of need-satisfying exchanges. The emphasis is on developing long-term bonds with the customer by making them feel good about how firm interacts and does business with them. Relationship marketing is based on the principle that building and maintaining profitable relationships with all stakeholders are the key to long-term organizational success. The modern concept of marketing is societal marketing concept. Organizations cannot survive in isolation. They operate in a society and use the resources of the society to achieve the objectives. The concept believes that marketing decisions should be made in an ethical and social responsible manner. It is a combination of marketing concept plus society's well-being. Societal marketing concept is a management philosophy that takes into account the welfare of the society, the organization and its customers. Societal marketing concept can be well explained with the triangle of societal marketing concept, and the three angles we have society, consumer and organization. This modern concept of marketing emphasizes on sustainable development, environmental friendly product, responsible consumption, green marketing and consumerism. So friends, in this session we have understood the evolution of marketing. In the next session we will discuss some core concept of marketing for more understanding.